Dear students, in previous videos we learned definition of the differential equations and order and degree of the differential equation and formation of the differential equation. In this class we learn some more topics on the differential equation. Those are solution of the differential equations. See, solution of a differential equation. Solution of a differential equation is a relation between dependent variable, independent variable and along with some arbitrary constant satisfying the differential equation. Solution can be categorized in two ways. Those are general solution and particular solution. What is general solution? A solution of a differential equation in which the number of arbitrary constant is equal to the order of the differential equation is called the general solution. See, number of arbitrary constant is equal to the order of the differential equation. That is the main important. Next, particular solution. A particular solution of a differential equation is a solution obtained by giving a particular values to the arbitrary constant in the general solution. See examples, then we understand clearly. We know that y equal to x square minus 1, right? Suppose we take x square minus 1 equal to 0, right? This is the quadratic equation. What is the solution of the quadratic equation here? Here x equal to plus or minus 1, right? X equal to plus or minus 1 satisfying the above equation, right? See, d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0, right? Find the solution of the differential equation. See, what is the solution of the differential equation? See, let's take y equal to a cos x plus b sin x, right? Derivative with respect to x, that is dy by dx equal to, right, a into derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus b into derivative of sin x is cos x, right? Then take second time derivative with respect to x, then d square y by dx square equal to a into minus a into derivative of sin x is cos x plus b into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. That is minus a cos x minus b sin x. Here y equal to a cos x plus b sin x is the solution of the differential equation. Y equal to a cos x plus b sin x is the solution of the differential equation. Just see, observe, d square y by dx square is minus a cos x minus b sin x. Substitute here, then we get minus a cos x minus b sin x. We know that y equal to a cos x plus b sin x, that is plus a cos x plus b sin x, right? Here minus a cos x plus a cos x minus b cos x plus b cos x, that equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to a cos x plus b sin x satisfying the above differential equation. That's why y equal to a cos x plus b sin x is the solution of the above differential equation. Here two arbitrary constants. What is the general solution? Right? The order of the differential equation is equal to the number of arbitrary constants. The number of arbitrary constant is equal to the order of the differential equation. Here there are two arbitrary constants in the equation. Here a and b are arbitrary constants. Here d square y by dx square, here order is also 2. That's why number of arbitrary constants is equal to the order of the differential equation. That's why this is the general solution of the differential equation. right? Y equal to a cos x plus b sin x is called the general solution of the differential equation. What is particular solution? What is particular solution? See here. Suppose we take y equal to cos x, 3 cos x plus 5 sin x. Let's take. In the place of a, we take 3. In the place of b, we take 5. Right? Definitely particular values of a and particular value of b is there. That's why this is called the particular solution of the differential equation. In general solution, we substitute here a equal to 3, here b equal to 5. That is called the particular solution of the differential equation. See one more example. Suppose y equal to mx. We know that this is passing through the origin, right? Therefore, here one arbitrary constant is m. Derivative with respect to x, that is dy by dx equal to m. Dy by dx equal to m. Substitute here y equal to dy by dx into x, right? Here y equal to mx is the solution of the differential equation. Here y equal to mx is the solution of the differential equation. Right? Suppose we take m equal to 2. Right? Then that is the y equal to 2x. Some particular values of m is there. That's why this is called the particular solution of the differential equation. For solving the differential equation, some methods are there. Those are variable separable method and homogeneous method, non-homogeneous method, linear differential equation and Bernoulli's equation. For solving the differential equation, we are using these methods. First one is variable separable method. Right? Variable separable method. Suppose differential equation given like this, f of x into dx plus g of y into dy equal to 0. F of x into dx plus g of y into dy. The differential equation given like this, right? We are solving this differential equation by using variable and separable method. Here we are separating two terms, that is f of x into dx equal to minus g of y into dy. Separating x terms and y terms. Suppose the equation in the form of f of x into dx plus g of y into dy equal to 0. That equations we are solving by using variable separable method. Let's take one example. See, x into dy minus y into dx equal to 0. X into dy minus y into dx equal to 0. Here x into dy equal to y into dx. Right? Separating x terms and y terms. Separating x terms and y terms. Here dy is there, here dx is there. Taking y left side, that is dy by y equal to dx by x. Right? Separating y terms and x terms. That's why this is called a variable separable method. Right? Separating the variables, separating the x terms and y terms. That's why this is called a variable separable method. Right? Then after taking integration on both sides, integrating on both sides, then integral dy by y equal to integral dx by x. Right? We know that integration of 1 by y equal to log of y. That equal to log y equal to log x. Then arbitrary constant we take log c. Right? We know that log a plus log b equal to log ab. That equal to log y equal to log cx. Removing log, then we get y equal to cx. Here c is called the arbitrary constant. Right? Suppose the equation in the form of f of x into dx plus g of y into dy equal to 0. Right? For solving this type of differential equation by using the variable separable method, right? Separating the x terms and y terms after we taking the integrating on both sides, then we get the solution of the differential equation, right? See some problems on the variable separable method. Here dy by dx equal to e power x minus y plus x square into e power minus y. Right? Given dy by dx equal to e power x minus y plus x square into e power minus y. Right? Here x and y terms we are separating, that is possible or not. Just see dy by dx equal to e power x minus y, that can be written as e power x by e power y plus x square by e power y. Right? LCM is e power y, that is dy by dx equal to e power x plus x square by e power y. Then separating y terms and x terms, then e power y into dy equal to e power x plus x square into dx. Right? This is clearly a variable separable method. Right? Separating y terms with in dy, separating x terms in dx. Right? This is variable separable method. Right? That's why we take integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Then we get integral e power y into dy equal to integral e power x plus x square into dx. Right? We know that integral e power y equal to e power y, that equal to integral e power x is e power x, plus we know that integral x square equal to x cube by 3. We know that integral x power n equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is equal to x cube by 3. We are taking arbitrary constant is c. That is the solution of the given differential equation. Right? Just taking x terms one side and y terms one side. Then after we are taking integrating on both sides, we get the solution of the differential equation. See one more problem. dy by dx equal to xy plus y by xy plus x. Right? dy by dx equal to xy plus x by xy plus y by xy plus x. See, in any differential equation, he is not mentioning by using variable separable method, by using homogeneous method, by using non-homogeneous method, by using linear differential equation, by using Bernoulli's equation. Anything he is not mentioned. Just we are find out how this problem is solved by using variable separable method or homogeneous, non-homogeneous, linear differential equation and Bernoulli's equation. We are identifying this is separating or not. That is our choice, right? Here this is possible or not. Just say dy by dx equal to, in numerator we take y is common, that is x plus 1. In denominator we take x is common, that is y plus 1. This is possible for separating the terms? Yes. Right? Separating y terms and x terms, that is y plus 1 by y into dy equal to x plus 1 by x dx. Right? Then that is separating y, then we get 1 plus 1 by y dy equal to 1 plus 1 by x dx. Clearly y terms on one side and x terms are one side. That's why this is solving by using variable separable method. variable separable method. Right? What we do? Integrating on both sides. Right? Integrating on both sides. Then we take integral 1 plus 1 by y dy equal to integral 1 plus 1 by x dx. Right? Integration of 1 is y. Integration of 1 plus y is log y equal to integral 1 is x plus integral 1 by x is log x. Right? We take arbitrary constant is c. Right? That is the solution of the given differential equation. Like that we are solving the problem. Right? Separating y terms and x terms. Right? Like that we are solving problems. Then integral 1 plus 1 by y dy equal to integral 1 plus 1 by x dx. Right? We know that integral 1 equal to y plus integral 1 by y equal to log of y. That equal to integral 1 is x plus integral 1 by x is log x. We take integral constant is c. Right? Then simplify, that is log y minus log x equal to x minus y plus c. Right? Then log of y by x equal to x minus y plus c. That is the solution of the given differential equation. Next, solve the differential equation of xy square plus x into dx plus yx square plus y into dy equal to 0. Right? This is possible by using variable separable method. Just see. Xy square plus x into dx plus yx square plus y into dy equal to 0. Right? Here take x is common, then we get x into y square plus 1 into dx. Here take y is common, then y into x square plus 1 into dy equal to 0. Right? This term we take right side, then y into x square plus 1 into dy equal to minus x into y square plus 1 into dx. Right? Then separating x terms and y terms. Here dy is there. In numerator dy is there. That's why we take y terms left side. In numerator dx is there. That's why we take x terms left side. Then y by y square plus 1 into dy equal to minus x by x square plus 1 into dx. Right? Here y by y square plus 1 into dy equal to minus x by x square plus 1 into dx. Right? Clearly here y terms on one side and x terms are one side. This is solving by using variable separable method. Right? Integrating on both sides. Then integral y by y square plus 1 into dy equal to integral minus x by x square plus 1 into dx. Right? We know that one formula, f dash of x by f of x equal to log of f of x. Right? F dash of x by f of x equal to log of f of x. That's why multiply and dividing with 2 on both sides. Then we take 1 by 2 into integral 2y by y square plus 1 into dy equal to 1 by 2 into integral minus 2x by x square plus 1 into dx. Right? We know that formula, integral f dash of x by f of x dx equal to log of modulus of f of x. Right? Here derivative of y square is 2y and the derivative of 1 is 0. Here derivative of x square is 2x and the derivative of 1 is 0. That's why this is in the form of f dash of x by f of x. Then apply formula, then we get 1 by 2 into log of modulus of y square plus 1 equal to minus 1 by 2 into log of modulus of x square plus 1 plus we take 1 by 2 log c. This is the arbitrary constant. Next step is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into log of modulus of y square plus 1 equal to 1 by 2 into log c minus log of x square plus 1. Right? 1 by 2 cancel. Then we get log of y square plus 1 equal to log a minus log b, that equal to log a by b, that is log c by x square plus 1. Right? Removing log, then we get y square plus 1 into y square plus 1 equal to c by x square plus 1. Right? Take x square plus 1 left side, then we get y square plus 1 into x square plus 1 equal to c. That is the solution of the given differential equation. Right? Separating y terms and x terms. Here multiply and dividing with 2 on both sides. We applying the formula f dash of x by f of x. Right? Then we get the solution of the differential equation. Okay, see one more problem. dy by dx plus 1 equal to e power x plus y. dy by dx plus 1 equal to e power x plus y. See, in previous problems, we separating x terms and y terms directly. But in this problem, we are not separating x terms and y terms. See here, e power x plus y or tan of x plus y, sin of x plus y, log of x plus y. That type of expressions are there. We are not separating directly. That's why we take some substitution, put x plus y equal to z. Put x plus y equal to z. Derivative with respect to x on both sides. Derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then we get derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of y is dy by dx equal to, we know that derivative of z is dz by dx. With respect to x we are derivating. Right? This is equation number 1. Right? This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, here 1 plus dy by dx equal to dz by dx. 1 plus dy by dx equal to dz by dx. Substitute. Then dz by dx equal to, we take x plus y equal to z, that equal to e power z. Then separating x terms and z terms. Then here dz is there left side. That's why take e power z left side, that is dz by e power z equal to dx. See, take numerator e power minus z into dz equal to dx. Z terms on one side and x terms are one side. This is a variable separable method. This is variable separable method. Right? Integrating on both sides. Then integral e power minus z into dz equal to integral dx. We know that integral e power x equal to e power x. E power minus x equal to e power minus x by minus 1. Suppose e power ax is there. e power ax, here x coefficient is a, we take denominator, right? That equal to e power minus z by minus 1 equal to x plus c, some arbitrary constant, right? Minus e power minus z equal to x plus c, right? We know that x equal to, we know that z equal to x plus y. Substitute here, that is minus e power minus of x plus y equal to x plus c. Take right side, then we get e power x plus y plus x plus c equal to 0. That is the solution of the differential equation, right? Put x plus y equal to z. That is the first step. Here we take substitution in the place of x plus y. Then separating z terms and x terms. Then we get e power minus z equal to x plus c. After that we substitute z equal to x plus y. That is the solution of the given problem. See one more problem. Dy by dx minus x into tan of y minus x equal to 1. Right? Dy by dx minus x into tan of y minus x equal to 1. Okay. This is also not possible for separating x terms and y terms. That's why we take substitution, put y minus x equal to z. Put y minus x equal to z. Derivative with respect to x on both sides. Derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then we know that the derivative of y is dy by dx. With respect to x we are derivating. Minus x, that is minus 1, that equal to dz by dx. Right? That is, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Right? From 1 and 2, right? Then dy by dx minus 1 equal to x into tan of y minus x. Right? Therefore, dy by dx minus 1 equal to, we know that from equation 2, dz by dx. That is, dz by dx equal to, here x into tan of y minus x. Here y minus x equal to z. Y minus x equal to z. Therefore, separating x terms and z terms, then dz by tan z equal to x into dx. Dz by tan z equal to x into tan x. Right? That is cot z into dz equal to x into dx. Right? Integrating on both sides. This is clearly variable separable method. This is variable separable method. Integrating on both sides. Then integral cot z dz equal to integral x dx. We know that integral cot z equal to log of mod sin z. That is log of mod sin z equal to, we know that integral x is x square by 2. Right? Plus integral constant is c. Right? We know that z equal to y minus x. That is log of modulus of sin y minus x equal to x square by 2 plus c. That is the solution of the given differential equation. See once again, dy by dx minus x into tan of y minus x equal to 1. Put y minus x equal to z. That is the main important. Then separate, then derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then we get dy by dx minus 1 equal to dz by dx. From 1 and 2, removing y term, then we get in the terms of z and x. Then separating z terms and x terms. Right? We know that integral cot z equal to log of mod sin z. Right? We take z equal to y minus x. Substitute here. Then we get the solution of the differential equation. See, dy by dx equal to x into 2 log x plus 1 by sin y plus y cos y. dy by dx equal to x into 2 log x plus 1 by sin y plus y cos y. Right? This one is solving by using variable separable method. Why? Here y terms in denominator and x terms are clearly in numerator. Right? Then separating y terms and x terms, then we get sin y plus y into cos y into dy equal to 2x log x plus x into dx. Right? Then multiply it with dy, that equal to sin y into dy plus y cos y into dy equal to 2x log x dx plus x into dx. Right? This is solving by variable separable method. Right? Integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Then integral sin y dy plus integral y cos y dy equal to 2 into integral x log x dx plus integral x dx. Right? We know that integral sin y, but how this one is solving? Integral y cos y and integral x log x, right? By using by parts formula. Using by parts. Right? We know that by parts formula, integral uv equal to u into integral v dx minus integral derivative of u into integral v dx whole dx, right? That is, see here, integral uv dx equal to u into integral v dx minus integral derivative of u integral v dx whole dx. This is the by parts formula. Right? We know that integral sin y, that is as it is integral sin y dy plus integral uv dy. What is u and what is v? Right? We know that I rate. I is the inverse function, L is the logarithmic function, A is the algebraic function, T is the trigonometric, and E is the exponential function. Here y in this sequence, y is the algebraic function. That's why y is the u and cos y is the v. Here logarithmic function is first. This is u, this is v. Right? Therefore, u into integral v dx, that is y into integral cos y dy minus derivative of y. With respect to y, we are derivating y. 1 integration of cos y. Integration of cos y is sin y. Sin y dy equal to 2 into u into, that is log x into integral x dx minus integral derivative of log x is 1 by x, derivative of log x is 1 by x, integration of x is x square by 2 dx, right? Plus integration of x dx as it is, that is, right here integral sin y, integral minus sin y cancel. Then we get y into integration of cos y is sin y, that is equal to 2 into log x into, we know that integration of x is x square by 2 minus here x is cancelled, that is x, once again integration of x is x square by 2, that is 1 by 2 into x square by 2 plus integral x dx, that is equal to y sin y equal to 2 into, right, take 2 inside, that is 2 into log x into x square by 2 minus 2 into x square by 4 plus integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. Right, here 2 ones are 2 2s are cancelled, here 2 2 cancel, right, minus x square by 2 plus x square by 2 cancel. Then we get y into sin y equal to log x into x square plus c, which is the required solution. See, just separating y terms and x terms, then integrating on both sides. Clearly, this is a variable separable method. By using by parts, we know that by parts formula, integral u v dx equal to u into integral v dx minus integral derivative of u into integral v dx whole dx. U can be taken by using ILATE. We know that ILATE, that is inverse function, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. Right, that is very useful, like for the by parts. Next one, find the equation of the curve whose slope at any point x comma y is y by x square and which satisfy the condition y equal to 1 when x equal to 3. Right, see, we know that slope is dy by dx, right, but given slope is at the point x comma y is y by x square, that is dy by dx equal to y by x square. And find out the equation of the curve, that is important. Then separating y terms and x terms, that is dy by y equal to dx by x square. Clearly, this is a variable separable method. This is solving by variable separable method, integrating on both sides. Integral dy by y equal to integral dx by x square. Right, we know that integral 1 by y equal to log y, that equal to log y equal to integration of 1 by x square, that is minus 1 by x in arbitrary constant is c. Right, this is equation number 1. See, in the problem, find the equation of the curve. Equation of the curve. This is the family of the curve. Equation 1 is the family of the curve. But that curve is satisfy the condition y equal to 1 when x equal to 3. Right? Equation 1 is the family of the curve. Family of the curve of y by x square. Equation 1 is the family of the curve of y by x square at any point x comma y, right? But curve, equation 1, curve satisfies the condition condition is y equal to 1 when x equal to 3. That condition is satisfies, right? Then substitute here from 1, therefore from 1 log y equal to 1, log 1 equal to minus 1 by 3 plus c. Therefore we know that log 1 equal to 0, then c equal to 1 by 3. C equal to 1 by 3. Therefore required curve is y equal to log y equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 by 3. Right? We know that this is the general solution of the curve. This is the general solution of the curve differential equation. This is the particular solution. Why it is called as particular solution? Right? Clearly some arbitrary constant value is there. Here c equal to 1 by 3. That's why this is called a particular solution. This is called a general solution of the given differential equation. See next problem. dy by dx equal to x minus 2y plus 1 by 2x minus 4y. Right? dy by dx equal to x minus 2y plus 1 by 2x minus 4y. Right? For separating the x terms and y terms, this is not a possible. Right? Separating x terms and y terms, not possible. That's why I put x minus 2y equal to z. X minus 2y equal to z. Derivative with respect to x on both sides. Derivative with respect to x on both sides. Right, we know that derivative of x is 1 minus 2 into derivative of y with respect to x, that is 2 into dy by dx equal to dz by dx. That is 1 minus dz by dx equal to 2 into dy by dx. That is 1 minus dz by dx by 2 equal to dy by dx. Right? Substitute dy by dx, that is 1 minus dz by dx by 2. Right? See, this is equation number 1. Therefore from 1 minus dz by dx by 2 equal to x minus 2y, we take it as z, that is z plus 1 by, that is take 2 is common, x minus 2y equal to z, that is equal to 2z. Right, here 2 cancel, that is 1 minus dz by dx equal to z plus 1 by z. Right? Then take the LCM, that is 1 minus z plus 1 by z equal to dz by dx. Take the LCM, then we get z minus 1 by z equal to dz by dx. Here z cancel, that is minus 1 by z equal to dz by dx. Separating x terms and z terms, then we get minus dx equal to z into dz. Right? Integrating on both sides. This is clearly, this is solving by variable separable method. Then integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Then we get integral z into dz equal to integral minus x dx. We know that integral z is z square by 2 equal to minus, sorry, here only minus dx, that is minus x plus c. Take 2 right side, that is z square equal to minus 2x plus 2c. That is z square plus 2x equal to plus 2c, that is we take another constant, that is k. Right? We take z equal to x minus 2y, that is x minus 2y whole square plus 2x equal to k, which is the required solution. Which is the required solution. Right? See once again, put x minus 2y equal to z. Y we taken as substitute here. In x and y separating, that is not possible. That's why we take x minus 2y equal to z. Then derivative with respect to x, in the place of dy by dx, we substitute here 1 minus dz by dx by 2. Right? We take separating z terms and x terms, then integrating. Lastly, we substitute in the place of z x minus 2y. Next one, dy by dx equal to 3x plus y plus 4 whole square. Right? How to solve this one? See here. Dy by dx equal to 3x plus y plus 4 whole square. Here x and y separating, that is possible or not? Just see. Separating x terms and y terms, that is possible? Not possible. That's why we take, put 3x plus y plus 4 equal to z. Then derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then we get 3 into derivative of x is 1 plus with respect to we are derivating, then y is dy by dx. Derivative of constant is 0, that equal to dz by dx. Right? We get dy by dx, that is dy by dx equal to dz by dx minus 3. Right? We take this one, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, dy by dx, that is dz by dx minus 3 equal to 3x plus y plus 4 equal to z, that equal to z square. Right? That is dz by dx equal to z square plus 3. Z square plus 3. Then separating z terms and x terms, that is dz by z square plus 3 equal to dx. Clearly, this is a variable separable method. This is solving by variable separable method. Right? Integrating on both sides. Integral dz by z square plus 3 equal to integral dx. We know that integral dz by z square plus 3, that can be written as root 3 whole square integral dx. We know the formula integral 1 by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. That is 1 by root 3 into tan inverse of z by root 3, that equal to x plus c. In the place of z, we substitute z equal to 3x plus y plus 4. Then we get 1 by root 3 into tan inverse of 3x plus y plus 4 by root 3 equal to x plus c. That is the required solution. See once again, dy by dx equal to 3x plus y plus 4 whole square. Right? Separating x terms and y terms, that is not possible. That's why we take 3x plus y plus 4 equal to z. Right? Derivative with respect to x, we convert it into z form, that is dz by dx. Then separating z terms and x terms, then integrating on both sides. Next one, solve the differential equation sine inverse of dy by dx equal to x plus y. Right? solution. Sin inverse of dy by dx equal to x plus y. Right? Here x and y separating, that is possible or not? Right? In this problem also x and y terms separating, that is not possible. That's why definitely we take substitute. That is dy by dx equal to sin of x plus y. Right? Put x plus y equal to z. Put x plus y equal to z. At derivative with respect to x on both sides, derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then we know that derivative of x is 1, derivative of y is dy by dx equal to dz by dx. Right? Then dy by dx equal to dz by dx minus 1. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Right? From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Right? In the place of dy by dx, we substitute dz by dx minus 1. That is dz by dx minus 1 equal to sin of x plus y. Here x plus y equal to z. That equal to sin z. That is equal to dz by dx equal to 1 plus sin z. Separating x terms and z terms. That is dz by 1 plus sin z equal to dx. Right? This is clearly a variable separable method. Right? This is solving by variable separable method. Then integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Then integral dz by 1 plus sin z equal to integral dx. How to solve this one? Integral dz by 1 plus sin z. Right? Clearly in the denominator sin z is there. Definitely that is the fourth type. We take tan z by 2 equal to t. Right? In sin terms and cos terms are there in the denominator. Definitely by using fourth type. Methods are there. But in the calculation purpose, we take simple 1 by 1 plus sin z into rationalizing with 1 minus sin z. That is 1 minus sin z by 1 minus sin z dz equal to integral dx. Integral dx. See here. We know that integral 1 minus sin z by a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. That is 1 minus sin square z dz. We know that integral dx equal to x plus c. Right? Integral 1 minus sin z by 1 minus sin square z, that is cos square z dz equal to x plus c. At separating cos square z, then we get 1 by cos square z, that is secant square z minus sin z by cos z, that is tan z. One more cos z is there. 1 by cos z is secant z, that is secant z into tan z into dz equal to x plus c. We know that integration of secant square z is tan z minus integral secant z into tan z equal to secant z, that is secant z equal to x plus c. We know that z equal to x plus y, that is tan of x plus y minus secant of x plus y equal to x plus c. That is the required solution. Right? Here complicated is put x plus y equal to z. Then after integral 1 by 1 plus sin z. We take tan z by 2. Definitely we are getting same answer. But that is lengthy process. we take rationalizing 1 minus sin z by 1 minus sin z. That is the easy process. Then separating the cos square z. Then we get secant square z minus secant z into tan z. We know that integration of secant square z is tan z, and secant z into tan z equal to secant z, right? Then substitute z in the place x and y. Solve the differential equation dy by dx plus y square plus y plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. Right? See. dy by dx plus y square plus y plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Right? How to solve this one? Definitely, clearly y terms are one side and x terms are one side. Definitely we are separating both. There is no need to substitute here. That is dy by dx equal to minus of y square plus y plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. Right? Definitely in the numerator dy is there. Definitely we take y terms. And dx we are putting in numerator. That's why I take left side. That is dy by y square plus y plus 1 equal to minus dx by x square plus x plus 1. Okay. Definitely this is a variable separable method. This is solving by variable separable method, integrating on both sides. Integral dy by y square plus y plus 1 equal to minus integral dx by x square plus x plus 1. Right? How to solve this one? We already see in the types, right? In quadratic equation is there, we are converting into formulas. We know that integral 1 by a square plus x square, 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by x square minus a square, right? That is integral dy by y square a plus b whole square formula. Here a plus b whole square, that is multiply with 2 into y into 1 by 2 plus 1. Here also same integral dx by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 2 plus 1. Right? Adding and subtracting dy by y square plus 2ab plus b square, that is 1 by 2 whole square plus 1. Here 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4, that is 1 minus 1 by 4. Here also same minus integral dx by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 2, 2ab. Here b is 1 by 2, but b is not there. That's why we are adding and subtracting. That is plus 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. A square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square, dy by y plus 1 by 2 whole square. Right? We know that 1 minus 1 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. That is integral minus dx by, here also same, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is x plus 1 by 2 whole square. Remaining part 1 minus 1 by 4 is there, that is 3 by 4. Right? Integral dy by y plus 1 by 2 whole square, 3 by 4, that can be written as root 3 by 2 whole square. That equal to minus integral dx by x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. We know the formula, integral 1 by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. That is, here a is root 3 by 2 and x is y plus 1 by 2. 1 by a into, that is 1 by root 3 by 2 into tan inverse of x by a. that is tan inverse of y plus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 equal to, here also same, minus 1 by root 3 by 2 tan inverse of x plus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, and integral constant is there, that is also taken by root 2 by root 3 into tan inverse of c, 2 by root 3 into c, some other constant c. Here 1 by root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3. Here 2 by root 3 is cancelled. Here 2 by root 3 is also cancelled. Then we get tan inverse of, that is tan inverse of 2 to cancel LCM, we get, that is 2y plus 1 by root 3. Take left side, that is plus tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3 equal to c. That is the required solution. Right? This is the critical part here. Multiplying and dividing with 2. Converting into formula. This quadratic equation that can be converted into formulas. We know though in types 9 main formulas is there. We are converting this quadratic equation into those formulas. Right? That's why we take multiply and dividing with 2. We get here b is 1 by 2. That's why adding and subtracting b square. Here also same, adding and subtracting b square. Right, that is a plus b whole square, remaining part is there. That is 1 by a square plus x square formula. That is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Okay, last sum in variable separable method. Solve the differential equation dy by dx equal to tan square of x plus y. See, dy by dx equal to tan square of x plus y. Okay. Here separating x terms and y terms, that is possible, that is not possible. That's why put x plus y equal to z. Whenever separating x terms and y terms not possible, then we take substitute in variable separable method. Right? Here x plus y equal to z. Then dy by dx we are converting into dz by dx. That is derivative with respect to x on both sides. That is derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of y is dy by dx equal to dz by dx. Right? Therefore dy by dx equal to dz by dx minus 1. Right, this be taken as equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, right, we say that the place of dy by dx we substitute dz by dx minus 1 equal to, here x plus y we taken is z, that is tan square z. Tan square z. Take minus 1 right side, then we get dz by dx equal to 1 plus tan square z. We know the identities, secant square z minus tan square z equal to 1. Then secant square z equal to 1 plus tan square z. That is dz by dx equal to secant square z. Then separating x terms and z terms, that is dz by secant square z equal to dx. Right? We know that 1 by secant square z is cos square z, dz equal to dx. This is a solving by variable separable method, then integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. See here, integral cos square z, integral cos square z dz equal to integral dx, integral dx. We know that secant square z, integral secant square z is tan z, but integration of cos square z, formula is there in integration, there is no formula. We converting in the cos square z, that is 1 plus cos 2z by 2 into dz, integral dx. We know that cos 2z equal to 2 cos square z minus 1. That's why cos square z equal to 1 plus cos 2z by 2. Right? That is 1 by 2 into integral 1 dz, that is z, plus cos 2z is sin 2z by 2 equal to x plus c. Then multiplying z by 2 plus sin 2z by 4 equal to x plus c. And here z equal to x plus y, that is x plus y by 2 plus sin of 2x plus 2y by 4 equal to x plus c, which is the required solution. See once again, just take x plus y equal to z, then converting into dz by dx form, then separating here 1 plus tan square z equal to, in the identities we know that secant square z minus tan square z equal to 1, then secant square z equal to 1 plus tan square z, that is secant square z. Then separating z terms and x terms, we know that 1 by secant square z is cos square z. But in the integration, cos square z is not their formula. That's why we taken as, we converting cos square z into 1 plus cos 2z by 2. Right? We know that formula. Integration of 1 by 2 is constant. Integration of 1 dz is z. Integration of cos 2z. Cos z is sin z. Here z coefficient is 2. That's why we taken denominator 2. Right? That is z by 2 plus sin 2z by 4 equal to x plus c. We know that z equal to x plus y. Substitute here, we get the solution. Thank you.